Hello and welcome to our channel, your ultimate guide to healthy living. If you're new here, we are all about sharing easy and delicious recipes that not only tickle your taste buds, but also boost your overall health. Today, we're going to show you how to make a refreshing and healthy drink that's perfect for any time of the day. And if you enjoy our content, don't forget to hit that like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest recipes. Now let's get started. Looking for a refreshing and healthy drink recipe? Well, you're in luck. Today we're sharing a simple yet invigorating recipe that's sure to delight your taste buds. Imagine a blend of a crisp green apple, zesty lemon, a hint of ginger, a touch of cinnamon, and pure water. For those with a sweet tooth, a drizzle of honey is optional. This drink isn't just delicious, it's bursting with health benefits too. Stay tuned as we dive into the step-by-step process of creating this healthy delight. First things first, gather all your ingredients. We're going to require a crisp green apple, a zesty lemon, a piece of aromatic ginger, a single cinnamon stick for that sweet spice, and about half a liter of water. And for those with a sweet tooth, a dollop of honey is optional but highly recommended. Now let's get these ingredients prepped. Begin by washing the apple and lemon thoroughly with baking soda. This will help remove any impurities or pesticides. Once they're squeaky clean, slice them up into manageable pieces. Don't forget to remove the apple core and lemon seeds. Next, the ginger. Give it a good peel and chop it into fine slices. This will help release its potent flavor and health benefits, making our drink all the more beneficial. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, it's time to start cooking. Ready to make your new favorite healthy drink? Let's dive in. First, take a medium-sized pot and pour in 500 milliliters of water. As the water begins to warm up, add the prepped ingredients: the slices of green apple, the lemon, the piece of ginger, and the cinnamon stick. With all the ingredients in, bring the water to a boil. Once it's bubbling nicely, reduce the heat and let it simmer. You're going to want to let this aromatic mixture cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. After the time's up, turn off the heat and let your concoction cool down. The aroma filling your kitchen right now should be absolutely heavenly. For those of you with a sweet tooth, feel free to stir in some honey. It's all about personalizing to your taste. And there you have it, a refreshing and healthy drink to enjoy in the morning and evening. Before we dive into the health benefits of this wonderful drink, we hope you're enjoying the process as much as we are. If you are, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps us know that we're bringing you content that you find valuable. And hey, if you think your friends would enjoy this healthy drink recipe, don't hesitate to share this video with them. We're all about spreading health and positivity. And remember, we're constantly experimenting with new recipes, so if you want to stay updated, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Stay tuned as we reveal the amazing health benefits of this refreshing drink. Up next, aren't you curious about what makes this drink so healthy? Well, each ingredient is a powerhouse of health benefits. The green apple, brimming with antioxidants, wards off chronic diseases. The lemon, packed with vitamin C, boosts your immune system. The ginger's anti-inflammatory properties help soothe your body, while the cinnamon stick aids in controlling blood sugar levels. Add a dash of honey for a natural sweetener if you'd like. So, next time you're in search of a refreshing and healthy drink, remember this easy and beneficial recipe. Cheers to good health!